Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to continue with our series How to Make Money Online for Free. So we did part 1 yesterday. If you missed that, don't worry, I'll drop a link to that down below. So in today's video we're moving on to part 2, and I'm going to share another method with you that you can use to start earning money online from home, and this is available worldwide. So let's start right at the beginning of this whole process. So the first part of this process is we're going to find a product that we're going to recommend and share, and then we will be earning an affiliate commission from this. And I'm going to break this down into really simple steps for you. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you don't go through this step by step, then you won't know how to set all of this up properly. And we'll go over some different free resources and free tools that you can use with this method also. So we're going to need a product or a service. Now you can go on to a number of the affiliate platforms. You can use ClickBank, JVZoo, Share a Sale, Warrior Plus, etc, etc. You could also go and find standalone products. So for this example here, we're going to focus on ClickFunnels. So this here is over on ClickFunnels, and with ClickFunnels you can sign up to become an affiliate for free. So you don't even need to pay to join ClickFunnels. You can sign up and become an affiliate for free. Then what happens is, over on ClickFunnels, they give you all of these different products that you can promote for free and you earn a commission. So like this is just one product, as you can see here. This here, you give away a book and it's a free book, and you see you earn $1, and then you got all these additional products in here where you can earn up to $927 in this one example here. So this is just some of the different content that you can use and share on here. And look, this is just giving away a book. There's so much more to ClickFunnels that you can do. There's another example here. So this is the offer you can see on here. If you were to go ahead and share this funnel script, somebody purchased it for this price, this is how much commission you would earn. So you would earn $318. So this is just two of the different things that you can market and share on ClickFunnels, and there's there's many more of these products that you can market. Now the reason why I recommend ClickFunnels, but again you can use this on different networks, is all over on here they have what is a lifetime cookie, or it's known as a sticky cookie. So if you were to send somebody over to ClickFunnels today and they purchased this book, and then 6 months down the line they went ahead and purchased, this here, or signed up for a ClickFunnels account, you would still earn an affiliate commission for that. But this is step 1. You find a product, a service, a course. You can use this on eBay, Amazon Associates, absolutely anything. You're going to find something that you want to market and promote. Once you've got that and you've found that, we then move on to part 2, and we're going to find out what people are searching for related to that product. So a really simple website that you can use for free is this one over here, and it's called answerthepublic.com. So you go over to Answer the Public and you just type in your keyword about the product. So you can see on here I've typed in ClickFunnels. So if I scroll down here, these are all of the different questions what people are asking related to ClickFunnels. So you can see on here we've got the why. So why use ClickFunnels? Why is ClickFunnels so expensive? Why I left ClickFunnels? We've then got who. See all these questions here related to the who's. When was ClickFunnels founded? And what you would do is you'd go through here and find out different questions which people are asking, and you can go ahead and create content around these. So you see this one here, ClickFunnels, how does this work? This would be a great example. ClickFunnels, how to make money. Again, a simple question. ClickFunnels, how to make many domains, etc, etc. But this works in any niche. So if you were doing weight loss, or you found like a product over on ClickBank, maybe like the 6-day abs or something like that, you'd simply get your product, come over to Answer the Public, type it in at the top, and then you would come through here and look at all of these different questions what people are asking. Once you've got a couple of these questions here, you can go over to Quora. So you see here, I've just come over to Quora and I've typed in why use ClickFunnels, and I've got that from over here in the why section. So why use ClickFunnels. So over here in Quora at the top, I've just typed in why use ClickFunnels, and you can see there are all these different questions what people have asked on the platform, and you can go through and answer these questions, and you can see there's hundreds and hundreds of these questions. Excuse me. So in order to answer one of these, it's really simple. So let's just go on. Does anyone use ClickFunnels? So let's click on here. I'm going to click on this. So you can see somebody on Quora has asked this question, and then below here it's currently got 48 answers. So people here are answering the question for them. And this is where we would come into this. So you can see people are answering the question and linking out to all sorts of different stuff on here. So in this example here, does anyone use ClickFunnels? Is it worth it? How does their affiliate program work? You can answer this question. It's really simple to do. You click on answer here, and you'd simply go through and put an answer in there. Now within your answer you would link out to content where people can go ahead and read more. So do not link out directly to the affiliate offer, because Quora are getting a bit delicate about this, and they're starting to delete questions and answers where it's got a direct link to an affiliate product. So let me give you an example of this. So I'm going to go over here onto my account. I'm just going to click on here. Now I still do this on Quora, but I do not do this personally. So you can see here, I last answered questions on Quora on the 23rd of March. Now the reason why you don't see any more answers on here is because I outsource this. So instead of me going through and finding these questions and answering them myself, I went over to a website called SEO Clerks, and I literally pay someone to go ahead and find questions and answer it for me. It just saves me so much more time. But you can see on here, considering I've not used Quora myself since the 23rd of March, look at this. I've had 1.6k views on my answers alone this month. So by answering questions on Quora, it's evergreen traffic basically. You're getting people looking at your content and effectively getting them over to the product or service that you're promoting from, honestly, I'll go and show you. Let's go and have a look at this. Go to stats. So you can see in the last 30 days, I've had 1.68k views on answers. So like this here, how do I make money on Steemit? How do I get paid for service? Let me click on this one. You can see the number of views that are landing on here every single day. If I click on here, see, I answered this question on the 25th of September 2018. Ridiculous. So I've had 290 views on a question that I answered nearly a year ago. So how does it work? So we've got our product. We've found questions that people are looking for on Answer the Public. We come over to Quora, we go through, we answer the questions. Now within here, you see here, click here. So what am I doing? I'm not sending them direct over to, in this question here, how do I make money using Steemit? I'm leading them over to my blog. So if I click on there, it opens up onto my blog. And then within my blog article, I will have, scroll down, I'll show you this. What is Bitcoin? Keep coming further down the page. Oh no, sorry, I didn't want to close that one. Let me go back over here. Scroll down here, Steemit, Keep coming down the page. Here we go, make money using Steemit. So let me get rid of that. So if I scroll down the page here, this is the article about Steemit. Scroll down here, let's keep going. Keep coming down here. There's definitely a link over to my course, I know there is. Keep coming, you can see it's a pretty lengthy article. So you can see on here, look, I have now released a full course on Steemit. So within here, I've got all the information about my course, and then basically they can go ahead and purchase my Steemit course if they want to. So really simple stuff. So you can see here, you can check out by clicking the image below. If I click on there, it takes them over to my course over on Udemy here. So let me come out of that one. Let me come out of my blog. So how do you go ahead and do a blog? Well, in terms of my blog here, my blog is a paid blog, but this video is all about how to make money online for free. So you can go ahead and create a blog over on a website like this one here. This is wordpress.com, absolutely free to go ahead and do. You can do another one is blogger.com. Again, you can go ahead and create a blog over on Blogger or WordPress for free. You can see this is another one of my blogs. Click on View Blog. You see how to make money online and traffic tips. I've got lots of different articles on here. And I'm just literally leading people over from Quora over to my various blogs, whether it's this one here or one of my free ones, but predominantly I try to lead people over to my main blog, which is my Not Taught at School one. So that is how you go ahead and make money online using free tools. So go ahead, you can get a blog on Blogger, Wix, WordPress, whatever basically. Create content around a product or a service that you've found, whether that's ClickFunnels, whether it's a product on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, wherever, it doesn't make a difference. Once you've found your product and you've got your blog article created, you can use sites like this one up here, answerthepublic.com. Go ahead and find out what people are asking, what they're interested in about the product or service. You then go over to Quora and you put in the question up here, and you can find hundreds of people asking questions about your product or service. You then answer the question and you drop a link over to the content over on your blog, which is free. And that is basically, that is it. But as you've seen here with this example over on this Steemit one, this was over a year ago, and it's my most popular answer within the last 30 days. There's many more on here. How can I earn money on Fiverr, free Bitcoin mining, Steam it, so how can a social worker make money online? You can see there's just all of this here. I've done the work once with this and it's generating me traffic every single day, and I'd be getting a hell of a lot more traffic over on my account here if I was still doing this myself. But as I say, I'm outsourcing this and I've got other people who are answering the questions for me. So that's something that you can do when you get a bit of money. And one last thing over on Quora. If I go back into, let me go into this one here. See this question here? So this was the main question from this page here. Well, once you answer this question here, look, related questions. You've got all of these questions down here. You can go ahead and answer every single one of these. It really is that simple. Will you make money overnight with this? Absolutely not. Not in the beginning, because you'll need to build up your profile on Quora. You'll need to start creating content. But over time, this will absolutely snowball. And as I've mentioned, it's purely a numbers game. But Quora and answerthepublic.com, if you use both of those websites together, it's just a really great and a simple way to effectively create a passive income, because you do the work once, it's evergreen traffic, and you're targeting people who are specifically looking for your questions. That is just one method that you can use to drive traffic. You've got many more. You could go onto Facebook groups if you really wanted to and start answering people's questions, around ClickFunnels or whichever products you wanted on there. You've got Twitter, blog commenting, forums, and many, many more. YouTube is another example. But that is today's video. That is how you can make money online today. Well, how you can make money online today, get started with this whole process today for free. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give the video a like for me. I'd really appreciate that. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.